Have you ever experienced a Wacker Neuson SM120? After you start the engine, it immediately stops? This is because they're not allowing enough time for all the machine control units to boot up after ignition is on. So let me demonstrate what I mean. I'm gonna ignition off, ignition on, start the engine, and we see an exclamation point, and the machine killed right away. I'll demonstrate again. Ignition off, on, crank the engine, and the machine dies. The reason the SM120 does this is because the machine controller is looking for all available MCUs or additional control units, optional control units on the machine. Because it's searching for all available controllers, if you don't allow enough time for the MCU to search for additional controllers, the machine will shut itself down. In order to confirm all the controllers are online during the initial startup, we have to wait roughly 5 seconds before we engage the start circuit. So what I mean by that is ignition off, ignition on. To confirm all the machine controllers are online, I'm gonna watch my engine hours. Once my engine hours populate, I can then start the engine. So by me being too quick on the ignition on an SM120, you're not allowing all the controllers to come online, and it'll result in a fault code in the engine to shut off. So the simple fix is watch the engine hours. Once the engine hours populate, all available control units are online, the CAN bus network, and it can start the engine.